All right, car sat for a few minutes, so we're gonna try again. Clutch in. It is now 10:12, so about 10 minutes after, 15 minutes after the first time. Car is in first, neutral, and I'm pulling back into reverse. And again, the clutch is all the way down. Clutch is all the way down on the floor. Reverse, and you can feel it's not pushing in. When I go to lift up the clutch, there we go, about hard to see. Few, yeah, I can't really get it, but I'm probably 2 to 3 inches off the ground, 2 inches, we'll say, and then it slipped in, but it did not go in to reverse with the car all the way down. Now I'm going to let out and actually let the reverse go this time, as opposed to coasting with the clutch down. So clutch is most of the way up now at this point. Backing out, going to go in reverse a tiny bit, and clutch is back down again. There, you saw how you heard the click when it went into first. That's not normal. Instead of clicking sometimes, that's where it actually locks out. So pulling back up the driveway here, clutch is back in again. So with the clutch in, there's second, third. You see that? It went clunk clunk the first time. Now it's going straight in. Fourth, again, clunk. Fifth was much better. Clutch is out. First, yeah, that was tough. Second's a little crunchy. Third's not as bad this time. And fourth, there it hung up again. And then I can't get fit there. Got fifth. But that was a lot of effort to get fifth in. So a good demonstration of how the transmission is very sticky right now. Sometimes instead of sticking, it's completely locked out in video.